These are our stainless steel chainmail gloves, and they're pretty cool. This glove is made in America. It is reversible. You simply turn it inside out and it fits lefty or righty. You put it on kind of like this, and it's got a very heavy-duty snap closure to snap it in place. I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, it's very, very strong. Snaps in place. I like it. So the quality is very, very good, but the main thing is the cut resistant ability. This is a large, this is a medium right here, and this one here is a small. So large, medium, small. This knife is sharp, right? So check it out here. It's 2 layers of paper. I'm going to show you just how sharp it is. Yeah, that knife's pretty sharp. Will not cut through this glove. You can take the glove and you can go like this, up and down, slice if you want to, poke towards yourself, cutting meat towards yourself. Whatever you're doing, the knife bounces right off the glove. So there's been some question and some people asking about the ability to stop knives. This stops knives, so it's one of the only things out there. Little rings of stainless steel that are all interwoven together. Very cool. I like it. And it's very durable. This has many, many uses. And you simply turn it inside out to switch left or right. Throw it in the dishwasher, throw it in the laundry, rinse it under hot water. You're good to go. So that's it. That's my review of the Chainlink chainmail glove, only available at your sponsor, ChefDepot.com. Yeah. All items used are in stock at your sponsor, ChefDepot.com. Thanks again for watching.